Welcome back. You're watching All About Ads on NDTV Profit. Television viewing has never been this good in India. And guess what? You and I know that it's only going to get better from here. As far as the DTH space goes, the entry of a big player like Reliance could change the dynamics. And of course, Airtel is to follow very soon. What does that mean for existing players? Is that why they've upped their advertising and marketing quotient? Let's find out. The Battle of the Khans once again on the small screen. Only this time round, it's for endorsing rival DTH brands. After SRK's long association with Dish TV, it's Aamir Khan who's been roped in by Tata Sky in what we are told is a long-time strategic contract.
It's not a celebrity war which is going on. Two companies who for various reasons have chosen their own celebrities, and somewhere the celebrities personify the company, right? Those celebrities both are just happen to be the leading stars of Hindi film industry, but that's it.
While Aamir's clutter-breaking ad sure has had impact, Dish TV admits their celeb endorser Shah Rukh Khan has been vital in building brand awareness.
Don't be santusht yaar. Thoda aur wish karo. Dish karo.
Definitely it has helped, and it has helped increase the awareness and in the conviction in the brand Dish. Because there are a lot of associations which are there, and there's huge rub-off of Shah Rukh as a brand.
Roping in superstars in a category like the direct-to-home platform is critical. After all, DTH continues to have a fairly limited subscriber base, just about 6.5 million, in a country of 134 million TV viewing households. Moreover, to have an impact in the rural market is going to be critical, and these celebrities can certainly ensure visibility.
As of now, it's more in the urban, but yes, rural also is very, very significant.
When we're talking about a television audience of more than 120 to 130 million households in the country, you're talking a large part of that being rural today.
So in a category like DTH that is pitted against a price-sensitive cable viewing population, could the mantra be bigger the stars the better? Experts hasten to add that a brand fit and effective use of the celebrity endorser are critical in order to have an impact.
How do you use a celebrity is also something which, you need to just study. It's a very scientific way of using him. Just by putting him onto a commercial and asking him to endorse it doesn't work. There's a lot of paraphernalia which you need to build around him to get the maximum impact on that celebrity. So yes, it will do good for the brand. It will do good for the industry per se towards the digitization of television industry.
So if celebrities are the big differentiators, the biggest TV yet to enter the DTH space, Reliance's Big TV, launched a few days ago, say they've got the biggest and brightest TV stars.
ठीक हो, तो ऐसी हो, वरना ना हो. Reliance का Big TV DTH service.
Ho! The big ho! What really is valued inside a television viewing home is the television stars. So we picked up the top 8 and 10 stars of the television soap operas, be it the biggest general entertainment genres, which is number 1, number 2 being Star and Z, and we've got almost the Parvati, the Tulsi, the Saloni, all of them, Ram, Jay Walia. We got all of them really coming together and endorsing Big TV.
But overall, endorsers aside, could the latest entrant actually redefine the rules of the DTH game? For one, the measurement system.
पसंद हो तो ऐसा हो, वरना और भैया टीवी हो तो बिग टीवी हो, वरना ना हो.
As we look at it, Reliance is one of the purest form of DTH entering. You've got Dish TV, which is taken care by Z. You've got Tata, which is Star. Here is a company which is not into this space, coming with 2 million committed homes. And plus, you would be happy to know that they are coming. They've tied up with some company where they'll have their own form of ratings, which will give the measurements also. So they've got a measurement matrix accompanying that thing. So for us advertisers, it's a welcome thing. You getting something which you can measure. You getting a purist form, which is not influenced by any platform.
Moreover, there is the critical differentiator, after-sales service and distribution. If we were to look at the players today, while Dish TV operates with nearly 350 distributors and 29,000 retailers, Tata Sky has around 250 distributors and approximately 28,000 retailers across the country. Big TV, on the other hand, is all set to change that through a network of 700 distributors and over 1 lakh retailers, 250 Reliance Web Worlds and over 200 Reliance Mobile stores. They also have an added advantage of sales channels of their own telecom, FMCG and consumer durable outlets. DTH players like Tata Sky have been toying with the idea of launching the personal video recorder or PVR, which allows viewers to record programs to view later, something many advertisers feel could affect ad viewing. After all, viewers can simply forward the commercials. The company states that it will be launching it later this year.
The reason is we wanted the market to reach a particular maturity level before we launch. People are barely able to understand the benefits offered by DTH. Once they reach up, when we believe the market was matured enough, then we decided that we're going to get PVR. We are just a 2-year-old company right now. And PVR is a relatively new product in every part of the world, including the America and the US and the UK.
Consumers are in control, and this bit of recording favorite programs has been again taken from US, where after the hectic lifestyle which one has, one would like to have kind of recorded programming happening, and for us it's like a repeat telecast which normally happens for a consumer on a Sunday, which is an Indian television industry suddenly has got this thing of putting all the repeats on a Sunday. There are expresses happening, there are a lot of things happening. So I think again this is one of the attribute of Dish TV operators, or per se the digitization.
It's a good experiment, and right now DTH space as it is evolving, there will be more experiments which will happen. I'm sure all the players will try and find out new ways to add value to their services.
And that's not all in the DTH space. Bharti is all set to enter the market later this year. Experts are quick to point out that the category itself will undergo a dramatic change in the months to come.
Competition, I think, is very good for the industry. It's very good for the customer, because competition will ensure quality content at competitive prices.
DTH, as I said, it's like it's going to be the next big thing in India, as far as digitization goes. So it is here to stay.
I don't think in the short run anybody is going to grow at the expense of the other guy. We all are going to be growing the market as such.
Industry experts expect the DTH business to capture at least 40% of cable and satellite homes market by the year 2015. But could Big TV turn out to be the big growth driver? That's the big question.
Reliance का Big TV DTH service.
Ho, the big ho!
After DTH Wars, it's the making of a commercial, but after the short break.